Today we talk about how can you find calendar economy on your Octa app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that with your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you on your Octa app. So all you have to do, you just go here, you go above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then all you have to do now. So you just go down here, you keep going down here. So then you come here to economic calendar here, you just click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list. Then here you will find all economic calendar you have. It's for here. It's for today and tomorrow here and yesterday. So can you find it in this list here? Can you just swipe and here you will find to this next week and here next week. So here can you find your economic calendar. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.